Good morning. This is Patricia Teresa Flynn, Commissioner at the Water Rec, and this is my BFF at the board. It's Dan Pogorzelski, Commissioner, also with me. Today we were so lucky to provide this resolution recognizing the contributions of Irish Americans, especially our friends in labor. And knowing that we're working for the agency of the MWRD, they were the bones, or the scaffolding, the backbone of the building of the Sanitary and Ship Canal and the Illinois and Michigan Canal. And Dan is your historian for any further knowledge. So anything you want to take on from there?
I would say, when you say it as well as you just did, Commissioner, I don't know if I have much to add, which doesn't happen to me very often.
No, he's big into the history and has given me books, actually, on the building of the canals. And I'm a fan of the St. James Calsag Cemetery, and you can go and tour and see of all the young Irish people that lost their lives in the building of this canal, so we can have fresh water. That's the long and the short of it. But we're so grateful for this resolution today, and I'm so grateful for the entire MWRD board that supported this resolution. Thanks.
Brought to you by Commissioner Daniel Pogorzelski of the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Chicago.